we're all going to the future together. Not going to stay here in this time. Everything will change.
Hang on a second. How bright is the future?
It's so bright we got to wear shades. Yeah, this future's so bright. So let me give you like Bill did. I'll give you some background on me. So I've been in data strategy and financial and non-financial data for about 20 years now. And Bill's right. It's all about the data. And I know someone said that the data now is actually the new toxic asset because there's so much in this data, not only from a privacy standpoint, security standpoint, ability to move it around and understand it. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it. And then I also have a financial background like Bill does. I work for a U.S. federal regulator. And what's interesting with Bill's statement, you know, Dodd-Frank, the CFTC just finished implementing Dodd-Frank last year. Look how long that took. It took like, what, 9 years, right? 2009, 2008, 9 years to implement. So that's how long it takes to implement any type of change within the government. And you can't move a monolith overnight. They're set that way for a purpose. If everything changed so quickly, like technology changes, it'll cause a problem. I know this fourth industrial revolution is moving so quickly. You need a time for people to understand the technology. Just like when the first, the mobile phone came out, right? And then the smartphone came out and people are like, what do I do with this thing? Now everybody has a smartphone. I have the new Surface Duo. It's pretty cool. I like the Surface Duo. So I'm into technology still, but the idea is you got to get people used to this technology. So there's like a gap in between where people need to understand that. But now as this technology is moving so quickly, the gap is starting to close. So when the gap is actually people understand it when technology changes, you're going to be on top of each other pretty soon. And people are not going to have time to actually change. So we got to learn how to manage this type of technology, understand it. Again, education is very important. That's what Bill and Tiffany are doing. So is GBA. We're educating a lot of people on this technology. But what people do with this technology, the ethical aspect of it, the design aspect of it is a big deal, right? From a policy standpoint, a social standpoint, and just a global standpoint. We need to figure out how we can use this data to empower not just the people, but push us forward. This is progress, right? We don't want to go back into, you know, I don't know if you say the dark ages, but we need to progress forward with this technology. And I think we're doing it. I can not iterate it enough, but this is such a great time to be in this space now and understand it. I consider it a greenfield, even though the blockchain type technology started coming out in 2008. There's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done, especially from a governance standpoint. But we're here, and I think everybody that's on the phone can add to this change, can participate in this change, and let's go together in the future together as a coalition. Thanks.